Eliana. Eliana. Hello, Eliana.
Mr. Ejia,
How are you?
please can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Eliana, can you hear me too?
Yes, please.
I've really suffered. I've really suffered. Anyway, let's start before it begins to, beat me up. Okay, so we got to Newton's third law of motion last time. Okay. Quickly, let's look at how it works and then application. So let me have Eliana to tell us. Hello, Eliana, are you there? Okay, Adwa, state Newton's third law of motion for us. Newton's third law of motion. Adwa. Okay, Abra, can you hear me? Hello, class.
Yes,
Can you state Newton's third law of motion? Abna, quick one.
please it says that to every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Okay, good. That's right. So Newton's third law of motion talks about a pair of forces. Okay, it's about a pair of forces that act on two different objects. A pair of forces, okay, a reactional force and then an actional force. So if this is an object on a table, on a chair, let's take the object to be a book. On a chair. All that we are saying is that the book will exert a force on the table, and this force is the action. Then the table would exert an equal but opposite force to the book. So the force that is exerted in the opposite direction by the book becomes a reaction. So Newton is saying that action and reaction are equal, but opposite. All that Newton is trying to say is that the magnitude of the action force is equal to the magnitude of the reaction force, but their direction is always opposite. Now, we realize that the forces act on two different bodies. The action force acts on the chair, and then the reactional force acts on the book. Okay. Now, if they have the same magnitude and then direction, then we expect the two forces to have no effect, to produce no effect, because their magnitudes are the same. So it's like they cancel out. But yes, it is true. because they have the same magnitude and they will have to cancel out, but it depends on the bodies on which the pair of forces act. Example, if whilst the actional force, okay, is on the chair.
Stadia, please, your screen is blurry.
Jennifer,
I'm sorry.
then
Yes, please.
is it a general concern?
Yes, please.
Hey, Can we rejoin? Let's try rejoining to see if it will fix the problem. If after rejoining it doesn't, then I restart rather. Okay. So do that quickly. If you have that blurry situation at your end, okay, rejoin. Let's see if that would sort the problem out for us. Quickly. The network today is very, very bad. Do I have some of you whose video or image is okay? Those of you who are still around. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Ja.
Is Irene, is yours better?
Not really.
Okay.
Mr. Ja, it keeps on breaking.
I think it's from his side, his end.
I just rejoined.
Let me restart. Okay.